Right, fantastic morning. Busuya Samuel Kwab. I'm so say dia gudi munsem. Ebro say Badwam wo kansie na no pay na. Esem ne na dos de bia me kan say de se fata salty ene chichi ne kufu na ye de brɛ. Na isia konkon anopa bia se ya. Na ye wala natural mineral water insuo na bu e wala. Me ka che say wa nom nsu pa ye wala o wala. Wa nom wala natural mineral water ye wala o wala. Se no se na de keka kɔ no insuo ho aka. Enti nom nsu keke. Nom nsu keke. Wala natural mineral water na me kan for say enei ma onsanka bi o ko ba bi eton so bi aso wala ni ho de ho bi amennom Sergio Manager Bernard Party but me producers keji wana kasane Eric Asidu Bwadi ya mwakwa be special center pass so UEFA Champions League night. Arsenal back to winning ways, Barcelona back to winning ways, and now to say yes, Man City kwa we ko winning 4-0, Dortmund winning 7-1. Yanko matches ni wo the course of the various games more ebi mo nyenya wins ebi so atwa from both Dortmund winning 7-1 over Celtic. Yenhasa na officials ne siete Real Madrid ejina mu ne Madrid and Lille and a boy and officials no of the UEFA Champions League and anumri na yankuenim and Shakhtar Donetsk one more in Atlanta na bo na Girona final Aston Villa and Bayern Munich. Tim says both teams to score be a soon had Benfica and Atletico de Madrid and Dynamo and Monaco. Monaco are waiting to score Leipzig and Juventus also about Leipzig move here the obeshe goal Lille and Real Madrid koto ani ho lunin nimchidie and so Lille down the ball bet Tottenham Liverpool and Bologna and they pay so the chairman beja and ho England na Stamgrass and Club Brugge. And so at the Abwani Honum Club Brugge kwa we then or go Honum Tikashan and Swami way the UEFA Champions League fixtures and Koswa. You don't want some and so brewo Honum now. Ya kind of sound no na wala natural mineral water and no munsukeke no wala natural mineral water. Now, if you want to copy more, I want some food from Naka say ba if you and so Honum now. Set you bet me a bobo our Crash Sports Stadium. You be born our Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium. And I say Cape Coast no they say Ghana you go so air train say kwambia so betimi akọ anim and I say yentumi enko anim na befa na say mfa no Randy Abe executive council member on the North to Sansem limo
that it will help. For example, if they collaborated with say the FA, because sometimes you see some of those facilities very well done, beautiful, but the playing surface, the dimension, you would realize that for some of them it's just off by 9 feet. You know, the dimensions are not done properly. There has to be a distance between, let's say, what you see as the white line and where the benches and the fencing. All those are
so in effect they are not up to standard.
Those are all technical dimensions, and if you look at the size of the places, with a little consultation, we could have assisted in helping with these dimensions so that these fields will not just be for recreational purposes, but can also be used for competitive football. That's the downside. We also have a problem with playing surfaces. As far so we allow that. We allowed Medina to be used. That also there were issues. In fact, even the day of the inauguration was when we pointed out a lot of these issues to the then minister and other government officials who were there. We had to also bend the rules for, was it the Wali Wali? That was where the 9 feet thing. We had to also bend the rules so that they can play some games there, because in that part, you do not have a lot of these facilities. So if these consultations had been made, would have been able to, in spending the money in doing these facilities, done things that will serve both our competitive purposes and recreational purposes.
Right, and on the Randy Abe, executive council member de Childra. So to be a buy no a facility bia. I saw lazy with the Ghana Football Association say, yeah, BBC, if you know into more for some more, yeah, they are money see. Munye wi na fe be wi ni ntimi moboro international game bia entimi nkoso ho ne ade ade ya stadium shrete e de asi takwa nso yɛntimi mo international game bi a ho sanse sene almost see no fire ne ade ate ya ne hadwen pa na ye ka ne sa no president of the Ghana Football Association na no so kopie mu wo Parliamentary Select Committee on Sports and Randy kopie mu ano and GFA president de to dwa said the entire management teams eka teams ahodo ne ho no wa kire mu.
We all have varied reasons for taking management decisions. And I have said here that the size, first of all, I've said here that having management committees in managing our national teams is as relevant yesterday as it is today. I have said this here. Secondly, I have also said that the numbers are not cast in stone, and that we even have certain management committees that have 3 members. The Black Stars is a premium brand of our country. The Black Queens, the premium brand when it comes to women's football. The demands of managing the Black Stars are distinctively distinct from managing the National U15 or National U17. The demands of the technical team at the Black Stars level, at the Black Queens level, are distinct. So it is very clear. Management is very dynamic. Of course, you'll be thinking about judicial usage of resources, but management at the junior level don't take money from the FA. At the Black Stars level, I don't take per diem. I don't take per diem. None of the management members take per diem. So I don't see the hue and cry. People are just misfed with the wrong information. What is true is that you need manpower, you need the right people with the right skill set to manage our national teams. And they are supported by the national teams department.
Right, and only some are the president of the Ghana Football Association, Racket Okrekudi Kotudja, our Parliamentary Select Committee on Sports. Now, yebeko ne yakofa songo stick. Basani yebeko ne chene suma me say wala natural mineral water. Okay, one of pain in some no bro no munso keke no munso pa wala one wala natural mineral water. Songo stick, Mr. Patrick Osa German countryman songo ejina so den. Mr. Ajman, yemo akwaba.
Fantastic morning.
Hello, Mr. Ajman Temenka.
I was Temenka. Fantastic
right.
morning.
They say no, yanka French, and they say what if French war?
They say they may free me, mammy, penny, or about me, mammy, and Cassao. No, or Chen me, or me, or Germany.
Germany, cry good morning, no, I then go to Morgan, and go to Morgan.
Hello, Mama.
More fire. And then I want the mind.
Okay. Management members, it's all about your football. Our management members NG per diem. So management members also would discuss the players. So management members 100K, that is dollars, 13 billion old Ghana cedis each, just for one tournament. Now, person what me say. Now management members no, omu call tournament no. Maybe so. Woman pure woman hoka. Woman pure woman flight ita. Woman any pure woman didika. Woman pure woman hotel ekana. Now management members no omu bobo ni bi. Nobody is saying say management members say bia ehun here say bia your own members be no more manage the various national team, but ode ma mean fa Blasters no. Blasters no, yes, is the flagship. A huge. You need to make sure say attention back home. Attention ko in a couple bena modiba. Performance bena modiba. Nya performance of phone go on. Movie anuma ko di musica. We are management member over body bi. We are management member over body bi. O manage dey. O manage a team no any technical team ni say eno ma be ko ye ni akwa bobo ni edi nkunim. Enkunim dini ma kapo ma uwi a management member sika yedima party sika yedima Jordan ayu wo mo mugina park ni bobo no sa sika na bi no wo se yedima me bisa management members also almost so 13 billion old Ghana cedis. What are you telling me? And I buy no stadium wo mo football people for consultation. You people are only thinking about more. Some ubenya the taxpayers' money. Fika our blasters who move to me benefit our blasters who by way of say modimu players. Player agency need those things. What are you saying to us? We are management member. Now who blasters team so as management member. Only players in this cape. Only players at this cape. What are you managing there? Mo managing. A dear cap, a dear performance, Papa Namudia Bre. A dear performance, Papa Namudia Bre. Omuti one in Omunko achievement. Omuti Parliament Select Committee and I said, Omuti Oman anymore. Omu justify and no ma. Omu fees about Boa Woman Casano. Omuntile Oma achievement. So far, 8 years near Diamomu, 5 years now. Omuntile Oma achievement, Omu resource, our football him. Omuntile. They have no achievement, they have no results. It will justify and no but not about boy mine. Football in our say no. Your football in our say no, and no more to mobile football ye. Omutuan in a management money, local football, dear no my local football. A dear no my local football. And paying 40 someone, Mutua more justify football wounds and some more TV rights. Wamuneka a local league. Wamunema coverage, your local league, your TV. Wamu bad coverage, bad photos, bad videos. Your local league, Wamun Kuta TV right. Your local league headline sponsor, Fikabe, and the one local league in him. How are they managing our football? Omo resource way, Omo achievement way. 8 years near dear mamu, my move 5 years now. A dear achievement, a dear resource in a more. A dear achievement, a dear resource in a more. It is we a management member, also G that is a player of bubble. We a management member, also G player is a Ujiska, a dear Ujiska, it is a we a player. What are they saying to us? No Mokikano, and yet and not woman say football no. And also mujai that more arrogant post and any arrogant way of omu yin samano no mu dini kura football no management members are all kind of various national teams omu mienhwe enkofo omu stefata ye mu dible o management members said the various national teams no omu fa list nimra edin nimra enkofo omu dible to omu manage ye national teams omu stefata ebi mu stefata ebi mu nita dible no. If you move some fantastic almost manage your national teams, but they are there. Go to the blasters. Go to the blasters. Blasters management members. A DM management, Papa no manager. Management members, a DM management, Papa no mutimi manager. Now even that management members no okay come masemno. Say ebimunji allowance and also munji allowance. A football people hono. Management members no. Ebimu football people. Ebimu ni GFO. Omunji allowances. GFO no more allowance. And that's what omunji omuka. And that's GFO no and say also omutimi eti omuka and that's more allowance. GFO president on your allowance. ESCO members omunji allowance. And management members of Blasters no. Young share to do to honor any football as you are. Young rest do to honor omuni FOA. Na management member o mobo player o bobo 100K now management member who's what 100K. What are you telling me? They are now catch all mine. How many resource for football him? How many resource you poor? What I say? Ana omu si stadium omu consult omu more time to do that. FIFA discover a dia na modiye. The FIFA discover a dia na moye. Blasters who Esika munya blasters ehun kuntabuo how transparent eno moye blasters ehun kuntabuo omo the blasters boss friendly matches omo the blasters e tournament tikaba a dear Kutabu papa, how transparency and Umutimi at the tray. Woman can't tray. FIFA Nanu, Siko the pie, and your ball host, no Musomudi to. And your ball host, and Omusomudi to. FIFA this has Kakaklakawi about almost $250,000 US. It's $250,000 US. Balls in Kwani Editu. Balls in Kwan. Nobody woman him say, heavy, pitches now, ball was no, it will need maintenance. And I say, being here, say, yeah, the blasters need to coin a tournament, a bobola, blasters and home fast one, woman cat, woman yansamunu, woman japadia way, or my mino, a football. Woman cat, woman yansamunu, a dear no my, a diama, or mino out of blaster, sika, yensaki kangina.
Okay.
It woman no mukikano, then some no candidate, and Tasum management member on mobile, Uya day and our G player, a sika or no GB. Uya day G player, sika UGB, management member on mobile nibi. What are you telling us? Woman achievement, woman results, be our football. Woman I say football, no. Woman I say football, and also woman two more say, to mobile football here. Also, no money Ghana for your football. Appointment to the various national teams as management members. And your friends and chronics.
Okay.
And your friends and chronics will be your own stem fatakra near deny your management member. Your Red Blasters, your management members.
Right.
Mami Famusi, I say.
Fantastic.
About 1 o'clock or fire for fire.
Most definitely.
More fire. About 2.
Right, my man, Mr. Patrick Osajeman, countryman Songo there, or the Songo stick in our brain. You bet you not so no pain sweat in some let's see. A Walla natural mineral water Walla and a sponsors. I believe you okay, Homa. Yeah, the Agodium Sembro, Ewo, Belgium. So, Sergio Manocho, Bernard Paddy Butcher, or me producers. Kejuan Cassani, Erica C. Dubwedi, Mrs. Fiaman, Quatamaclo, Edia Pomodion, some air twasso. Yeah, not just say, you're queen himself, and Nakwe, Indian, as a twasso queen. What's why? Never